I took this amazing boat trip around Phi Phi Island, but I never expected them to tell us to jump into the water to see sharks. And we didn't just see sharks, we saw monkeys. The world's most beautiful beach, amazing nature, sunsets. But one thing I never expected was to get abandoned by the boat alone in the water.
Like now it's in other UK. The boat is gone.
Phi Phi Island has been an unforgettable adventure, and soon you will also understand why.
So right now we're waiting for the boat and it's about to go in 15 minutes. So then we're going to do the snorkeling.
Diving deep into the waves, babe. I know that you wanted to. It's a risk worth taking, even if it's over soon. Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's
Okay, so right now we're at Monkey Island and look, it's monkeys here. Look over there. I think this for me is actually the first time I ever see monkeys in the wild. This guy is literally just walking right here. Right now we're about to snorkel with sharks, so I'm actually really scared.
you told me you believe in something.
Have never been clearer. bright white gold. They made us lose our focus. The very same hands that formed us. Go build a better tomorrow. For you I'd make it a rainbow. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold. With you by my side, I'm not worried. I think we'll be able to find ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty words. Nothing can keep me away from you.
Jungle out there, you know, baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. You're just an animal in human form. There's no need to settle down, down, down. I've said it before, I'll say it again, baby, let your love run wild, wild, wild. 'Cause there's a jungle out there, you know, baby girl, you need to see now. Get out the cage, cut off the leash. Diving deep into the waves, babe. I know that you want it too. It's a risk worth taking, even if it's over soon. Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. I got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get.
He smiles wide, 'cause he's the center of attention now. And he feels good about it. And she takes a bow, 'cause she's the center of attention now. And she feels good about it. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, 'cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might.
I am not kidding, they drove away. Like now it's another youth here. My boat is gone. My boat drove away from me. My boat drove away from me.
Strange brew is what we're used to. Get high all life, that's me and you. Run away till the sun's
Okay, right now we're about to check into our next cabin. Yeah, so it's going to be this one. Wow. Like this right here is something way different than the other place. Like this place here, it's like the bed was actually harder than the last one. Why do all beds in Thailand are so hard? Okay, so we already had an amazing day, but we have one more place we need to see before we travel away.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Have never been
Under the trees, I found a box of black pearls. I couldn't believe that it could change our known world. Under the stars, one night I opened it up, and your voice came pouring out like gold, as silent as a whisper in the wind. Lonely words were hovering with.
What an amazing adventure we have had. I hope you guys have enjoyed this as much as me. Like and subscribe to join me of more on my journeys, and hope to be seeing you guys on my channel.